Hey guys, so finally मैं दिल्ली आ चुका हूँ अभी and I am gonna be going to Canon's showroom. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने लिए M50 mirrorless कैमरा ख़रीदने के लिए Mark 2 जाएंगे Canon के शोरूम कैमरा लेने के लिए बिकॉज आई हैव टू गो टू हिमाचल और शूट करना है एंड आई डोंट हैव अ कैमरा. एक्चुअली मैंने एक कैमरा ऑर्डर किया था ऑलरेडी बट अभी सीन ये है कि वो कैमरा ख़राब हो चुका है और अभी हम दूसरा कैमरा खरीदने जा रहे हैं. तो इसी हो बस दैट्स
Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone.
तो अभी हम Canon के शोरूम के अंदर आ चुके हैं and I was just going through all the cameras that I have in the display unit over here. सारे के सारे and then ये कैमरा हमने चुना है. So we'll be buying SD cards as well और इसको जब भी शूट करके देखते कैसा.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
ऑटो फोकस बहुत प्यारी है इसकी.
Hey guys, so this was my experience of purchasing this new Canon EOS M50 Mark II. I honestly love the camera and sorry ये वीडियो बिल्कुल बीच में जाकर के abruptly end हो गया because जो नया कैमरा था उसकी बैटरी बिल्कुल डाई आउट हो चुकी थी as well as मेरे फ़ोन की भी बैटरी डाई आउट हो चुकी थी. So that is why मैं ज़्यादा वीडियो शूट नहीं कर पाया जिसकी वजह से ये वीडियो बिल्कुल abruptly end हो गया. So I'm very sorry for that. I'm back from Himachal and I have shot the complete Himachal series. अब editing में time है but honestly what I felt about this camera is कि जब आप vlogging करते हो it is tremendously good camera but talking about जब आप nature की shooting करते हो या फिर अगर आप subject नहीं हो if you're just normally capturing the nature जो मेरे travel vlogs में ज़्यादा included था तो उस केस में I face some sort of issues because sharpness उतनी अच्छी नहीं होती and the details that are captured with the STM lens that has been provided by the camera उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. So I think उसके लिए I have to get some another lenses if I'm not wrong because मेरे को ज़्यादा पता नहीं है because I'm also learning the camera for the first time. अभी मैं सीख रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे. But being said that, I really hope that you guys love the video. अगर आपको videos पसंद आया, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like, share, and ऐसे ही प्यार बनाए रखना. My name is Kabir Raj Manthan Singh. See you until next time.